Understanding Replacement Item, an English Learning Guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English Learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and practical phrase, replacement item. This phrase is commonly used in everyday situations, especially in shopping and customer service contexts. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it effectively. Replacement item refers to a product that is provided to replace another item that was either damaged, lost, or unsatisfactory. Imagine you bought a new phone, but it has a defect. You return it to the store, and they give you another phone. This new phone is a replacement item. It's important to understand that a replacement item takes the place of the original item. 1. Shopping. If you buy something that's broken or not what you expected, you might ask for a replacement item. 2. Services. If a part in your car is faulty and the mechanic changes it, that new part is a replacement item. 3. Online orders. When you order something online and it arrives damaged, you can request a replacement item to be sent to you. Let's look at some example sentences to see how replacement item is used. I received a replacement item for the broken blender I bought last week. The store didn't have a replacement item, so they offered me a refund instead. Please fill out this form to request a replacement item for your damaged product. 1. Associate with personal experience. Think of a time when you had to replace something. This personal connection helps you remember the term. 2. Practice in conversation. Try using replacement item in your daily conversations, especially when talking about shopping or services. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, replacement item. We hope this video has been informative and helps you use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, practicing these phrases in real-life situations is the best way to master them. See you in our next video, and happy learning!